Here's the Christmas parade, Columbia River, Washington and Oregon states, I suppose. Yeah, that's the Green Bridge, Interstate Bridge. Wow. So many. Few people are watching, waiting. It's now 8 p.m. I'm standing here in front of the boat terminal, and that's the AC Hotel by the Marriott. Let's see. That's Oregon, Johnson Beach, Hayden Island. It's 8 p.m. Look at the river, so calm. Yep. A few people below waiting for a good view. This waterfront park. See, that's the famous, how do you call it? I don't know. There we go. And that's the new building with a nice decoration by a tenant, I suppose. Yep. Let's do this video of the boat. I'm back. There's a dog here. Let's do this. I didn't cut the video. Oh, there they are. There's a green boat parade, Christmas boat parade. Nice. Oh, then there have more. Look at this. And the direction is the Portland International Airport. So nice. There's a plane on top. Wow. Nice weather. Actually, it's 43 degrees Fahrenheit. That is about, I think, 8. Oh, here it goes. Oh, that's the green thing there. Green boat. There's a faster one. Blue. Boat parade. Oh wow. Oh wow. The green is already there. Oh, wave the hand. Oh, nice. Easy. Oh, this one is another one. Yes. With like a car. Nice. Yay. There's a new another one. Oh wow, nice. And there's a plane again there. Wow. I like to include the plane in the video. There it is. Wow, with music. I like the green there, background.
While angels are shining, the stars Christmas
Oh, yes, it's
Eve.
some music.
A sweet little angel takes heavenly leave.
Oh,
She likes to help Santa Claus dress up the tree. So next Christmas morning, look up and you see
wow, beautiful.
Christmas tree.
That's another one. Different design. There it goes. Be a member. What's that? Wow, nice. Yay. Nice video, boat parade at the Columbia River, Washington side. Another plane, just include this in the video, look at this. Oh, I want to go down actually, so leveling. Wow. How many boats are there? I miscount. And here is like another simple futuristic kind of decoration. Look at it. Wow. This one here is another one. Yes. I want to go down when they return. There's another one. Look at it. Wow. I haven't seen this last year actually. Now it's like Christmas 2023. Oh, there's a fourth plane, the fifth one actually. Look at this. Above the boat. Isn't that nice? There's another one. I'll put them together in the frame. Oh wow, nice. This photo it would be nice. Wow, this one. Nice design. Like a plane. See that plane? It's really cool. This now 38. They're waving at us. Yay. Oh, the next boat is another one. Look at this. Wow. Exciting. How many boats? Oh man. It's like 20. More than that. Oh, this is gonna be the last one. Wow. See? No more. The last boat. This one is the last boat. Another plane, the sixth. Oh, the other one is now returning. Look at it. I'm gonna go down and just take a video down. See? Wow. Returning boats down to have them my level. Let's see. Oh, only like 3 people below. Wow, nice. Dose of dog. Wow. See that? It's now level. Somebody there. Oh wow. Nice. Oh, this is nice. Close up is very nice. Look at this. Very fast. Not very fast, just fast. Fast enough. This is Waterfront Park. This Indigo Hotel. The blue one, the red one is AC Hotel by Marriott. So both there. Wow, amazing. Now more people come down. Wow. See this? More people now. Even there under the bridge. Oh, wow. Look at this. Nice. Oh, it like have a U-turn. Okay. Interesting. That means they will have a U-turn here. Yeah, that's a U-turn. There's the U-turn. Wow, love it. Christmas 2023. Just another plane is hit it together with the boats. See that? Okay. Wow, that's the U-turn. This boat should have, sailed. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. At least you've seen all the boats. I don't know how many of them. The next one I'm gonna end this, okay? With more boats on the frame. And that's when I end this one, so it will be colorful. Merry Christmas, see? Merry Christmas. Wow. There you go, colorful. That's it. I end this now. Wow, look at this, the waves. Okay, see the waves pass by us. Oh wow. They're making waves. Close them. I'll go up for another angle. just now I was taking a video from that dock, or yeah, from up here. Now I'm here on top, and that's the boat. See this angle? There's another plane. So there's another plane. Look at this. People watching. Oh wow. 20 boats actually. Just counted it. They make a U-turn shorter. See, that's the waterfront park, kind of like marker. It looks like that of a boat or a ship. I don't know how you call it. Pardon me. It's the boat. Here are the boats from this angle. Look at this. Wow. They're on Oregon side of the river, on the other side. Waterfront Park. It's going to be winter, declared winter soon. It's still fall or autumn, but it's already 36 now. Wow, 36 degrees Fahrenheit. That is like 2 degrees C, 2 to 4. The boats are now at the Oregon side of the river. 20 boats. Look at that. They're making the U-turns there. This one ends at 9:30. Wow.